Are you a coconut lover like me? Grab your coffee to enjoy the best coconut macaroon recipe. Those macaroon recipes where you are chewing forever? Get rid of them, because after this, there is no going back to those recipes. This is Aisha at Aisha's Lavender Kitchen. A good coconut macaroon is an irresistible thing, golden on the outside and snowy white on the inside. There are lots of ways you can vary your batch of coconut macaroons. I use unsweetened desiccated coconut with sweetened condensed milk, but go ahead and try vice versa, or all unsweetened with your desirable amount of sugar. As you can see, a light mixture of stiffly beaten 2 large egg whites, a pinch of salt, teaspoon of vanilla extract, 397 grams, which is 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, by folding in with a spatula, incorporate the mixture. Now for the coconut, 260 grams or 3.5 cups of unsweetened desiccated coconut. Once the egg white mixture is combined well with the coconut, shape the macaroons by using an ice cream scoop. If not, just use your hands. If you're using your hands, wet your hands to prevent the mixture from sticking. Preheat your oven at 160 degrees. Bake the macaroons for 15 minutes or until golden brown. Allow your macaroons to cool down on the baking sheet. Here we have 200 grams of milk chocolate, melted in the microwave. Once you have allowed your macaroons to cool down, dip the bottom of the macaroon into chocolate. Pour the remaining melted chocolate into a piping bag, then pipe lines across the macaroons. In the past I have tried several recipes, but now I can say this is it. Crisp and golden on the outside, moist on the inside, delicious plain but irresistible dipped into chocolate. They also keep well for days, perfect to enjoy next to coffee or a cup of tea. If you enjoyed watching my video, hit that like button, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.